birds in the shower, it's a wild parade. Charlie Murphy splashing in the watery cascade. Sonny standing grumpy with a heavy frown. Wet Chicken Wednesday turning it upside down. Charlie going crazy, feathers flying high. Wide-eyed and laughing, reaching for the sky. Sunny staying still like a stone in the stream. Grouchy bird, wet feathers in the midday dream. Oh, it's Wet Chicken Wednesday, everyone gets clean. One parrot's laughing while the other's not so keen. Water party splashing, it's a sight to see. One bird's mad and the other's flying free. Feathers soaked in joy or feathers soaked in gloom. Water falls around us in this wet bathroom. Charlie dancing while his Sunny stays so mean. Together in the shower but with different scenes. Charlie Murphy living like it's paradise. Water drops are diamonds in his laughing eyes. Sunny just reluctant, winds are hanging low. It's Wet Chicken Wednesday, but Sunny won't let go. Oh, it's Wet Chicken Wednesday, everyone gets clean. One parrot's laughing while the other's not so keen. Water party splashing, it's a sight to see. One bird's mad and the other's flying free. Oh, it's Wet Chicken Wednesday, everyone gets clean. One parrot's laughing while the other's not so keen. Water party splashing, it's a sight to see. One bird's mad and the other's flying free.
Trying to get for the wild in the spray. Feathers flying high, but joy won't betray. Sunny's on the perch, all grumpy and sour, refusing to join this mid-weekly shower. Water cascading like a tiny waterfall. Charlie Murphy splashes dreams that'll never stall. Sunny stares with eyes that say not today, grooving alone in his own moody way. Wet Chicken Wednesday, time to get clean. Wash off the chaos and all of the scene. No matter the mood, we dive into the stream. Two parrots refreshed in this crazy routine. Charlie Murphy doing spins in the mist. Feathers shining like they can't resist. Sunny still pouting with his wings closed tight, grumbling about the mess of last night's fight. With special like troubles and shake of sorrows, dreaming of bright and bloody tomorrows. Charlie's love echoes through the bathroom walls. Sunny loves parking till he loves it all. It's Wet Chicken Wednesday, time to get clean. Wash off the chaos and all of the steam. No matter the mood, we dive into the stream. Two parrots refreshed in this crazy routine. Chicken Wednesday, time to get clean. Wash off the chaos and all of the scene. No matter the mood, we dive into the stream. Two parrots refreshed in this crazy routine.